Hello guys, welcome to Legit Boss once again. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to earn faster on Honeygain. Okay, that is the question I have been receiving recently, and previously I answered two questions. I've been receiving three questions and I answered two already. And in this video, I'm going to answer the one that is the most important. The most important is how you can actually earn faster and then place your withdrawal. Previously I made video on how to withdraw yesterday, and I have also posted it on this channel. And then the next video that is going to display after the end of this video is how to withdraw from Honeygain app. Please make sure you are streaming this video from beginning to the end, because if you are not watching this video, if you downloaded this video, you are not going to see it. So make sure you are streaming this video, because at the end of this video, the next video that is going to pop up is how to withdraw. It's very important you watch on how to withdraw, because if you end up to the minimum, which is $20, is going to show you request payout here. And if you don't watch the first video on how to withdraw, you will be confused. So make sure you watch that video. Before I proceed with this video, guys, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. If this is the first time you're hearing my voice, or first time you're coming across my channel, what I do on this channel is all about business. I share business updates every blessed day on how to make money online with your smartphone on this channel. So for you not to miss out, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen, and then turn on notification bell so that you'll be notified every day on money making updates, how you can get started with your smartphone and you watch yourself cashing out. Now, this platform known as Honeygain, they have been paying and they are still paying. I myself am a living testimony. If I have not cash out from this update, there is no way I am going to share it here on my YouTube channel. Okay, so the first question I have been receiving is, how can you earn faster on this platform? Then the second question is, this referral bonus here, they claim you can earn $5 whenever you invite your friends. Are you going to receive it immediately? That is the second question I'll be receiving. Then the third question is, if this bee you are seeing here are not moving, how can you actually wake them up? I will show you guys how you can wake them up. And in my previous video, I've already answered that it doesn't matter if they are awake or they are moving. As long as your account is connected and they are earning, then you don't have any problem with that. But if it's not moving and they are not earning, then there is a problem, and then you need to wake them up to start earning. Then at the end of this video, for those of you who have interest in joining this platform, and then you are making money with us, I'll be leaving our WhatsApp group link in the description section of this video, or in the comment section of this video, so you can go there and look at our WhatsApp group link. You can join our WhatsApp group link. When you join, you will receive the videos on how to register and the rest of them. Okay, we cannot share the registration link here on the comment section. What we will share here is a WhatsApp group link, so that we get the few tutorials. Okay, so make sure you join a WhatsApp group. And then if you are in my WhatsApp group, please, it is very important, don't join again, because if you are joining, it means you are occupying space for others. So if you are in my group 1, remain there. If you are in my group 2, remain there. If you are in my group 3, remain there. If you are in my group 4, remain there. This one is for people who have not joined before. Please take note. So when you join, you will get access to this platform. For now, you cannot get access to this platform when you are not our WhatsApp group. You cannot get access. Please take note. So now, how do you earn faster? Yes, this is what we are talking about in this video. Let me show you, or let me tell you before I show you how to earn faster on this platform. If you have 2 phones, you have 3 phones, you have 5 phones, then you are good to go. Or if you have phone, you have laptop, what this simply means that you should log in, you should download this application to your different devices, and then log in with your account. Make sure your internet is connected. As you all know that you can only earn on this platform where your internet is connected. That is only when you earn money on this platform. So when you log into your account to different devices, then as this one is accumulating traffic or generating traffic, the other one is also generating traffic, then you'll be earning. So now let me show you guys. You can see this place here, how it works. When you click on how it works, you come to this place here. You see earn more on all devices. You see, increase earning by installing Honeygain on all your devices. Just connect them to different networks, IP, and make sure they are running. You see, so this is the tricks how you can earn faster. This simply means you don't have to register a new account. Is with this your account that you are going to log in again. Do you understand? Is with your account that you are going to log in again. You log in again to, if you have 2 phones, you install the app on your second phone, you log in with the same account. Do you understand? If you have 3 phones, you log them in all your devices. Make sure that your internet is on. Then all of them will be running. It will be any faster for you. You can complete your withdrawal. Just $20 here, you place your withdrawal. That's just it, guys. So the second question is now this referral program. Yes, that is the question. Now, for anybody you invite on this platform, the person is going to receive instant $3. But you that invited that person, you're not going to receive anything yet. Yes, take note of that. But if the person you invited receive $3, for example, for those of you who registered with my link, you should receive $3. But if you did not register with anybody link, it's going to be very difficult for you in earning. So that is the reason why if you are joining this platform, you will need somebody to give you a link. You need somebody to give you bonus code. That bonus code helps you earn this $3 you are seeing here. Then this $5 they are talking about here. When you click on the info logo, you can see you can collect $5 until your friend reaches the $20 payout threshold. Okay, this simply means that this $5 will be awarded to you if your friend is able to cash out this money. This $5 will be awarded to you. And again, another how you can be getting it small is when your friends are earning, when they are active, then you can also be earning it. Sometimes you might even earn this $5 here. You will not know that you have already earned it. So when you invite your friends, you are not going to receive this $5 instantly. Please take note. This is the question I've been receiving. People kept asking this question repeatedly, and that is the reason why I am taking my time to answer it in this video. Okay, please take note. When you invite them, you are not receiving it. They are the one that will receive $3. So anybody you invite, the person is receiving $3. Do you understand? If you register with my link, you receive $3. I will not receive anything. But if you are earning, I will be earning. So that is it. I'll be earning some commissions. So that is how this thing works. However, if you're able to reach this trade, if you're able to collect your money, they will also reward me with this $5 as they promise. So that is how you earn when you invite your friends. Like I have told you guys, the most important thing is to connect to different devices. Log into your account to different devices, and then you are going to see yourself making money like this, collecting this money. Even if it is every week, you're able to collect this $20. That's about 32,000 naira we are talking about here. Now you can see that my bee is moving. Before it was sleeping. Do you know the tricks? It's very simple. There are two ways you can wake this bee up. Number one way is to turn off your phone and turn it on back. Second way is to click on more. When you click on more, you come to display setting. Setting. Click on setting. You see this place here, share internet to earn. You turn it on. You turn it off and then turn it on back. When you come to this place, when you come to home, it will reload. The goal is to reload this page. So once it reload this page, it will start earning. The bee will wake up. The bee will do what? Wake up, and they will start moving. And when they are moving, you are earning. But if they are not moving, if they are sleeping and your account is not earning, then you have a problem. But if they are moving and they are earning, perfect. And if they are sleeping, you are earning, perfect. But if they're sleeping and you're earning, not perfect. You need to settle it by following these steps I have just shown you guys in this video. So that is it. I hope this video has helped you to know how you can actually earn more and withdraw very fast. Like I said, I was able to cash out $20 yesterday, which is 32,000 naira, and I also share it with my group members. Everyone there saw it. As you all know, before I post anything, I must be sure of it. So that is it. This update is coming directly from Legit Boss. So make sure you don't fail this update. And if you're not in our WhatsApp group and you're interested in making money online, it is very important to join our WhatsApp group so that you'll be getting updates, and you also have access to get this application, because we cannot post it here on YouTube. So that is it, guys. So our group link is in the comment section. You can join our WhatsApp group for more updates. Thank you. If you have another question, the comment section is open. Comment. I'm always replying to people. I will be there to reply you. Thank you. And then don't forget, there is love in sharing. As I've shared this update with you, also share it with others. A lot of people don't know that they can actually make money online with their smartphone simply by leaving their internet connection, simply by using their internet connection. So you will really help people make money by sharing this video. So share this video, and may God bless you as you share this video. Thank you.